Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I want to share with you a tutorial for a Christmas cracker inspired box. This box can be decorated for any occasion. It's like half of a Christmas cracker with a fun twisted closure. Not difficult to make at all. I will show you how to create the base today. I will be using just plain white cardstock, but when you will be making it, you can use scrapbooking paper how I did on my sample. To create this fun box, you will need a cutting mat, sharp knife, circle die or anything else that is circle, a ruler and a pen, old mouse pad or any pad that you can use for scoring board, bone folder and the card. My card is 30 by 30 centimeters. So let's start scoring. First, we will score at 3.5 centimeters, then 11, then 25. I will put all those measurements in the description box below the video. I will also change the centimeters to inches if you prefer to work with inches. When this is done, we score on the other side, and now we score every 7 centimeters. So 7, 14, 21 and 28. Just for the purpose of the video, I have drawn the grid so you can see where your scoring lines should be. I hope that's clear now. Of course, don't do it when you will be making your box, but it's just so you can see in the camera exactly where to score and later where to cut. So now we've got on the top 3.5 centimeter line, and then the second part 7.5 centimeter. So now I will be scoring between the 7.5 centimeter part. So I will be scoring from, you can say, left hand side corner to top corner to the bottom right hand side corner in each section. And also while I'm scoring it, I will mark 4th and 6th centimeter in each rectangle in each part, and I will repeat that in each section. I'm not going to speed up the video, so it's quite slow and easy to follow. I hope it will be like that. This part is quite tricky, but believe me, it's just worth the work, this box, because the result is just really pretty. The next step will be to join our dots with the corners. You will see what I mean. In the second, this now I will use for that die or anything else you've got, you just need a circular shape. So our, how you call it, the top part of the box, you could do it with this straight line, but this circular line, curved line, looks much better when it's all cut out. So I'm joining the dot with the corner, and again I will repeat that in each section. When this is done, I'm going to mark for you all the parts that needs to be cut out, and here I will be using a sharp craft knife. You can do it with the scissors, it's just a bit tricky, especially the top part between the 7 centimeters sections. So if you have a craft knife, I would use that. To cut out the marked parts, I'm going to follow the scored lines and then the curved lines. So I'm going to that my first dot that was at 4 centimeter, and then following the curved line to the corner, and then from the corner to the dot which was at 6 centimeter, and then following the scoring line to the corner. And of course, I have to repeat it in each section. Now I will use scissors to cut out the remaining parts and also to split the lines on the bottom of my box. I will not go straight on the line, I'm starting slightly off it, creating on the left and on the right side, creating very small triangles. This is the part where we'll be, that's the bottom of the box where we'll be gluing it together. That's why if you go straight on the line, it may be tight to glue it. So it's always better to go starting off the line and going just towards the center. Now, following the scoring lines, I'm going to fold my base and I will use the bone folder to press on the lines again, so then it will be easy to fold and glue the box together. I'm not going to touch the part where you've got the, you could say, hourglass shape. Before I will score there, I'm going to use the punch to create decorative edge on the top of my box. Of course, at this point my punch decided to stop working, but luckily I managed to continue with it and to create that to create that lovely edge. Anyway, when then is done, that's the last tricky part we have to do, and it is scoring, actually folding on those little scored parts on the hourglass shape. Here I try to be very gentle. I don't want to crease my paper in other parts. For me it's easier to hold the paper like that and then fold it between my fingers. When it's flat on the desk, on the table, you can also try to do it, but like I said, we only want to fold where that little part is. We don't want to fold anywhere else, so you have to kind of figure it out how to do it without damaging the template. And then last simple thing to do is to glue the all parts together and then to make the box. So I will start with the place where the biggest part and then the top of the box join together. Before you will go to the next step, just make sure that this is glued properly. You want quite a lot of glue along the line because you want it to look as a one piece. So I will wait a little bit before gluing the bottom, and then I will wait for glue to dry before trying to twist the top. Make sure that everything is like stuck together well before moving to next step. When the glue is dry, you can twist the top of the box. It should go nicely when all the lines are properly scored. Shouldn't have a problem with it. Try a few times if the first time is not like going properly. And then you have a really nice box with a fun closure that can be decorated and used for many occasions. It can be a sweet box, you can put various small things inside. I really love that base and I hope you will like it as well. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. If you will create a box in that shape, please tag me on social media so I can see your projects. I always like to see what you're creating with my tutorials, and I hope you will find that video interesting. Thanks a lot. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.